Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody posted this on Facebook, and it looks, by the picture, it looks like there's some t-shirt material between the two colors. So I kind of did it like this at first. Then I thought, how can you get that yellow a little further apart? So I'm using the same word, but then not the same font. I'm gonna left click no fill, right click outline. And then I'm going to actually set my nudge factor. I'm gonna see how big this is. 7 inches thick, so get away from it. That's a little weird. There's something right there, so I'm gonna delete it. So this is a little more than 7 inches. There's still something there. Anyway, set your nudge distance to like 8 inches. Take this color and make a duplicate, Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it up. And then I don't have that brown, but if you go to your Smart Fill tool, get down to your eyedropper and test that brown and then make this brown. You'll have to do them individually because we're smart filling. Then what I would do is let's change our nudge factor to like 0.01. Let's take a duplicate of this, Control D, and then just nudge it down and over. I'm actually probably going a little further, but we'll see how this works out. And then if you look, everything kind of on the right side has been filled in. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool this time, go up, and I'm just going to use a yellow. And I am going to click on everything that is kind of on that side. And that's going to look a little funny right there because I don't think I want that side. I want this side and maybe this side, this, this. And you kind of have to do that to your own discretion. Now I'm going to go here and I'm going to right click no outline. So now we just have that. Then what we can do, we can set our nudge distance back to 7. But first I'm going to group this together, Control G. Group these together, Control G. And then I'm going to nudge this down. Maybe I did 8 inches. Yep, I did 8 inches. So now you have kind of what I would think would be appropriate. But if you didn't want it, if you wanted the yellow a little bit off, we could set our nudge factor back on 0.00 or 0.01. Grab our yellow and nudge it just down a little bit and over. And now you can kind of see the spaces between them. It'll even show up more when I put a background on it. Let's do a brown. Go up to Object, Order, Back of Page. So now you can kind of see the t-shirt material like this. I'm thinking that's what's going to need to be happening. And actually, we probably need to take the yellow, and let me nudge it up for a second. Well, change our nudge back to 8. This way you make sure you got the yellow and grab it and go Order, Back a Page. And you're not going to be able to see it till we take this now, go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and now it took away that yellow that was on front of the brown. That's how I think it could be done. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.